Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Miss Jackie from the Lake Village District Library, and I'm here with my daughter Ella.
Hi.
And my son Jack.
Hey.
And we get to show you what is in week 2's Take and Make bag from the library. So let's open these up and show them what's inside, guys.
So it has one bottle of glue and a baggie to put the slime in. And borax. It comes with one string to tie the bag with. And 2 fishies. A twist tie. And 2 fish.
Oh, you all got different colors.
I got blue and purple.
What'd you get, Jack?
Orange and green.
Orange and green. Okay. Well, what this turns out to be is this. And this is called Fish in a Bag slime. Isn't this cute?
Same colors as mine.
Yeah, same colors as yours.
Yeah.
Okay, so we pre-made some slime. My daughter here is the expert at slime making. And we made some slime, and it turns out so nice and clear. But to get it this clear, you have to let it sit on your counter in an airtight container for about 3 to 5 days. And then the bubbles start rising to the top, and then they pop, and it gets really clear. So let's show them how clear it is. Wow, look how clear that is. Can you show it up and do a big window? Look at that. Yeah, do you want to try it too?
Try. That looks so clear.
Yes.
It's
pretty.
Oh, sticky. It's wet. Wet.
Wow. Oh, that's fun.
And I'm not used to slime because I never do slime sticky.
Ella makes enough for all of us. Okay, let's get in on the recipe. We're going to teach you how to make this. You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try. Now it's not that clear.
Yeah, the more you play with it, the less clear it will be.
Ugh. This is like the show where people put their, it's Halloween and people put their hands, like TV shows where.
In slime?
Yeah,
yeah.
weird stuff.
That's fun. Oh, I have paper towels just in case. Here we go. Let's get the stickiness off. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we are going to start off with a bowl to mix this in. Let's put it right here so it's not in the way of the sink.
Wait, who's going to make the slime?
We'll have our expert here make the slime. Okay. Here, give me your paper, your towels here. Okay, I'm just going to put those there. Okay, so first let's make the borax solution. This is some warm water, and it's 1 cup. And you pour in the baggie of borax.
Can I pour
let's just make this one for now, okay? So pour all of it in. Very good. And then give it a stir until it dissolves. Now is the fun part. We're going to pour the glue in our mixing bowl. And it's best to take the whole cap off, right, Ella? It's just easier to get it out that way. Try to get all of it out. We're going to add, I have a 1/3 cup of water. Can you pour that in? Pour in the water, and we'll just use this spoon to stir it. And then start stirring. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of borax. 1.
That wasn't a full one.
That wasn't a full one? Oh, here, do you want me to help you? 2.
That was 1 full thing.
3. Oh, that wasn't a full one.
4.
Okay.
Wait, we need one more
One
because
more?
I only did half.
Well, try and get a full tablespoon of borax. Okay, that's good. Okay, give it a stir. And then what happens? What does the borax do?
It activates the slime.
It activates the slime, okay. And
Yeah.
it takes patience, doesn't it?
Yeah, if you touch it right now, it tastes like it. I mean, it
tastes. You can't eat this.
It feels like water
Yeah.
with salt in it.
Yeah, so this does take patience, but it's a lot of fun to try.
Yeah, if you're gonna smell it, don't smell it.
Why? Does it smell very good?
It smells bad.
It
smells good.
That's okay.
Oh.
Okay, now is it time to knead
Whoa,
it? Take it out with your hands.
Yeah. That looks
Okay.
so cool.
So once it starts forming a ball, you take it out and you're gonna knead it with your hands like you do bread dough.
Yeah. Bread dough?
Knead it. And then it gets less and less sticky, right, Ella?
Mm-hmm.
And she's just the expert at this. She's so good at this.
Yeah, and it's not that stretchy.
Look, and getting less sticky. Look at that.
I can't believe it just started and
Look at
it's not
that.
sticky.
Very good. Ooh, it looks pretty.
Yeah,
Let's see how far you can stretch it.
it looks like a.
It's
It
not
looks
very
like
good
a.
now
It
because
looks like
it's
a like
just
something
done.
like white volcano. A white volcano exploded
Oh, it's looking
in
good.
the table.
Very good. And then once it turns clear like this, you're going to put little bits of it at a time in your fishbowl bag. So you just put
It's
little
not
bits. Oh, I know, we're not going to do that part. We're just going to put little bits of it inside, and then you add your fish afterwards.
Maybe we'll just put that slime over there in the bags.
That's a
Or
good
hack
idea. So we also have a twist tie, and you'll tie that on it as well as a little piece of twine. This will make sure that the slime doesn't come out of the bag. Okay, yeah, that's looking really good. Should we try adding the slime to it, guys?
Yes,
Should
we
we do
have it.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, you help me here, Ella. Whoops, drop the bag. Can I borrow your bag, Jack?
Sure.
Okay, here we go.
Could we put a little bit of activator in it because
Let's just do it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna kind of roll it down, and we're gonna take little teeny tiny bits at a time.
Can I have that after?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Little bits at a time. There we go. Yes, this is very sticky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I fill that slime?
no, Jack.
Yeah, you can do it.
Whoa.
Okay.
I think this is the first time I actually like slime.
Oh, and it's dripping down in the bag. This takes patience, but it's kind of fun playing with this slime.
Yeah. That would probably take me
There it is.
5 hours to just do that.
Maybe smaller bits would be easier than to get all over. You have a little bit in your bag. Let's start putting the fish in now, should we guys?
Yeah.
Which fish? Which two colors?
Mine.
You can put one in or both, whatever you'd prefer.
Mine,
Can we
mine,
put these
mine.
two?
Can I put
Let's put one of Jack's. You choose a color, Jack.
orange?
Okay, put the orange one in there.
Because that's my favorite color.
Push the little fish down inside. Okay, now you put yours in. Good. Okay, I'm going to use a paper towel here just to get this slime off my hands. There we go. There. Okay. So, and then you can add as much slime as you want to this bag. But look how cute they look in here. And then this will turn crystal clear too after a few days' time. Look at that. And then you're going to take the top, give it a twist. Use your little twist tie. There. I'm just kind of folding it in half. Then we'll put a cute little bow on here. There. You kind of get an idea of what it will look like at first. And after a few days, it'll turn crystal clear. So did you guys have fun doing this?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a fun one. All right, thanks for joining us today. Make sure you sign up online to get a take and make bag from the Lake Village District Library. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.